Welcome to How to Earn Money Chatting with Strangers tutorial. In this video, we're going to show you how to earn money using chatoperatorjobs.com. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So in this website, you can earn a lot of money just chatting with people from your own home. So what is the general requirements of this job? Due to nature of the website network, you must be open-minded, you must have good grammar and fluent in English. So you will need to write the real proper English, not the text short one, and you must answer a minimum of 75 messages over 3 weeks. Payment is weekly to your PayPal account, so you will be paid immediately every week to your own PayPal account. And this is a self-employed contractor position. You will be responsible for your own tax. You must be 23 years or older. Then after you click on apply now, you will be redirected to the sign up page. You will need to sign in your information like your name, your email address, your payment address, your country location, and more and more. Then they will handle your application as fast as they can. Then after you've been accepted, you can work immediately. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and hit the like button and leave a comment down below. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.